Oh, this is bad. Here goes the foot. Oh! Drifts. Almost 3 feet high. 7 a.m. February 2nd. Car's pretty good. This drift up there. Not over yet.
Randy, get in the front of the driveway.
Yeah, I saw that. I had to come out here.
I know.
It's amazing. State of emergency in Wisconsin. Oh my God. Front of the driveway impassable with a snowplow. How high this is. This is almost 6 feet right there. It's just been plowed. Here's mailboxes. I cannot get out of the driveway. Impossible. Here's the car. It's been buried. God, it's like a 1 block visibility. I can't see even down. Wow. Front of the house. Covered. My God. Wow. I'm not even gonna walk in that. Pretty cool tunnel through though. Thanks K&L Plowing. The sidewalk is completely clear though. That's the irony of a blizzard. You can walk, but you can't move. Back inside.